Rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator involves the multiplication of the denominator by a suitable radical, resulting in a rational denominator. For example, rationalizing the denominator. Number 1, 3 over radical 2. Number 2, which is Roman 2, 1 over radical 3 plus radical 2. Roman 3, radical 6 over radical 6 minus radical 3. Solution. Roman 1, 3 over radical 2. Multiplied by radical 2 over radical 2. 3 times radical 2 is equal to 3 radical 2 over radical 2 times radical 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, is equal to 3 radical 2 over 2. Roman 2, 1 over radical 3 plus radical 2 multiplied by radical 3 minus radical 2 over radical 3 minus radical 2. 1 times radical 3 minus radical 2 is equal to radical 3 minus radical 2 over radical 3 plus radical 2 times radical 3 minus radical 2, which is equal to radical 3 minus radical 2 over radical 3 times radical 3 minus radical 3 radical 2 plus radical 3 radical 2 minus radical 2 times radical 2 is equal to radical 3 minus radical 2 over radical 3 times radical 3 is equal to 3 minus radical 3 radical 2 plus radical 3 radical 2 is equal to 0 minus radical 2 times radical 2 is equal to 2, which is equal to radical 3 minus radical 2 over 3 minus 2, which is equal to radical 3 minus radical 2 over 1. Therefore, is equal to radical 3 minus radical 2.